video, because it's video.
Oh, why do I always gotta cut on a video, man? That's good.
That was pretty good. I don't know where the camera bag went, though.
You see those curves? Yeah.
But, you know, 90 miles, we're not going to try to break it.
Oh, we weren't supposed
We'll go hit the rock trail, and then we'll go to the back.
The rock trail?
What was that?
That wasn't the rock trail?
That was the feather trail.
going on YouTube.
What? Is it on a video?
Yeah.
Oh my
We're
god.
all just sitting there.
Oh my god.
Trip up the bar, but